Hi, my name is attorney Michael Goldstein. I am a consumer debt advocate and bankruptcy attorney with the law office of Goldstein and Clegg, as well as a host of the Consumer Debt Radio Show. I'm here today to talk to you as consumers about the difference between the types of chapters of bankruptcy that as an individual you are able to file. Now, there really are two types of chapters that individuals have the ability to file. One is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is truly a traditional type of bankruptcy, and when people talk about bankruptcy, it's really what most people think of. Essentially, it's considered a liquidation. It gives the court the ability to take an asset that you may own, if it is not protected under the law, sell it and pay off your creditors. It also is the ability for you to get in and out very quickly and to discharge all of your unsecured debts, meaning all of your credit card debts, your medical bills, your judgments, any personal loans, things to that extent. Essentially anything that's not secured by collateral, meaning a house, a car, really anything where you promise the bank that if you don't pay, they can take it back, they can repossess it or foreclose it. Now, Chapter 7 bankruptcy is very unique in that only certain people are able to file this type of bankruptcy. As I said, it's a quick bankruptcy. It gets you out of all of your debt. You don't end up paying anything back. But as long as you don't have any assets that can be taken by the court, and traditionally people who file Chapter 7s don't have those assets, it's a good thing. The problem in filing one of these bankruptcies is that you must make less than the median income, the middle income, for the state that you live in based on your family size. Now, if you make more than that, or, for example, if you have an issue where secured debt is a problem, where you have fallen behind on your mortgage payments, where you've fallen behind on a car payment, a debt to the IRS or the State Department of Revenue, then you might want to consider filing what's called a Chapter 13, or a reorganization. Now, a Chapter 13 is different in that it's not a 90-day in and out program. It's typically a program that lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 years. And it's a program where you are not going to lose any of your assets that you might have lost in a Chapter 7. However, you are going to have to make some sort of a payment to the court, or really to a trustee who is an attorney appointed by the court to administer your estate and to pay back your creditors a portion of what you owe them. Now, if you owe secured debt, you'll have the opportunity to pay back, for example, a mortgage debt that you have fallen behind on. You can pay that back over 60 months interest-free, penalty-free. The catch in that, of course, is that you must stay current with your mortgage obligation moving forward. Now, the way that Chapter 13 payment plan is devised really is a combination of two items. One is something called the proof of claims. Your creditors have an obligation, once you file the bankruptcy, to file a form that says, yes, in fact, you do owe them a certain amount of money, how much you owe them, and how they determine that. Now, if you don't have any secured debt and it's simply a matter of your income exceeds the middle income for the state that you live in, the Chapter 13 plan is really based solely on your disposable income. Meaning, how much money do you have after you've paid your mortgage, after you've paid your car, your food, even charitable contributions that you make on a routine basis, any expenses that you incur in your household, your utilities, your home maintenance, gasoline for the car, things like that. Now, once you make the determination that you're going to file one of these, your best bet really is to talk to a consumer debt bankruptcy attorney in your state to get more information, because each state have their own requirements and have their own exemptions. And the biggest aspect in either of these bankruptcies is you want to be able to protect as much as you can. If you would like to get any more information on this, please feel free to check out our website, www.consumerdebtradio.com, or give us a call at 781-595-3800 if you are in Massachusetts. Thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.